nah, come on. Nah, 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 come on. Nah, 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 come on. Nah, 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 come on. Come on, come on. Nah, 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 nah. Feels so good being back. There's no way I'm turning back.
Can I get 7 Big Macs, 10 quarter pounders, 13 double cheeseburgers, 10 medium fries, 28 McChickens?
Now the pain is my pleasure, 'cause nothing can measure.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why?
Love is great, love is.
This is not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shittings.
He's coming back.
You good, bro? You crying?
Pick a number from 1 to 10.
Really?
Yes.
10.
10 seconds of pepper.
Out the backside of line. The affliction of the feeling. Yeah. Really wanting more. 'Cause I may be bad.
He left a note. I'ma read that bitch to y'all real quick. This what he fucking wrote. Dear all trick-or-treaters, I'm coming back for that ass. If I ain't get that butt last year, then this year's getting smashed. I ain't pulling up in no granny costume, that shit hard to run in. I'm pulling up in a tracksuit and we really gonna get this fun in. What the fuck?
But I'm